Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making a Christmas soap and I am scenting it in Frosty. It smells really good. It's spearmint and peppermint, sweet vanilla, and a cotton candy. So it's not real strong on the peppermint side. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our blue base in. And I'm going to layer this soap and try to put a couple swirls in it. We've got a lot of bubbles there, so we're going to spritz them out. I'm going to let this set up a little bit so we get a firm skin on the top, and then we're going to come back and we're going to put our other layer in. Okay, we've got a little bit of a skin there, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour my silver in. And if it breaks through, it's okay. If not, I'm going to push it through so we can get a bit of a swirl in our soap. Enough for the blue. So we're going to go ahead and spritz it. And it didn't go through, so I'm going to take and just give it a little bit of a poke there. And we're going to go ahead and spritz it again. And now we have to wait again for this to firm up and come back with our final layer. Okay, we're back. We're going to go ahead and spritz the top of our soap, and we're going to put our last layer of blue on. So we're going to stir it up. Pour it in there. We want to leave a little bit of room on the top because we're going to come back and decorate the top. Go ahead and give it a spritz, get them bubbles out, and then I'm going to use my spoon again to break through. This one got a little bit more firm. Okay, so we should have our 3 layers in there. Spritz it a final time. And once it's pretty much all set up, then we're going to come back and we're going to decorate it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to spritz the top. And then we're going to add some snowflakes. So I'm going to add just a little bit of white here so they'll stick to it. Maybe I should go down here so I get the end even. Turn it this way. I think we're only going to get 3 bars. And the little extra will just be what we use. It'll just be 3 big bars. Okay. So we're going to spritz it. We're going to give it some glitter. And we will be back to unmold and cut it. So our soap is all done. It's firmed up and hard. I don't know if you can see it. The different sides and the top. So we're going to go ahead and put it in the cutter. Okay, we went ahead and we put it in the cutter, so I'm going to cut it as straight as I can. The middle bar is going to be a lot larger, so I'll probably just cut a little sliver off to make them all even. So we're going to start with this one. Use the knife. Flip it around. Okay, so we do have a big bar in the middle. I'm going to be doing a holiday giveaway of some of the soaps we've made on the channel. So maybe we're just going to send this great big bar along with it. So here we have these two. And then, of course, we have the top, the sparkle. There you go. We're going to be doing a giveaway on the channel, so I'm going to get a little ad made up and post it, and we will give you the day to watch with the instructions. And we want to make sure we do it soon enough so it'll all get to you by Christmas time. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.